Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I've got this 2017 Road Glide Special. It is in the Laguna Orange custom paint. This bike has a ton of upgrades and accessories. We've got a whole list of stuff here. I'll never be able to tell you all of it just from memory. You can see you've got the taller handlebars, different grips. You've got upgraded audio in here. It is a 107 to 114 stage 4 kit. Has other additional engine work, really good power from this bike. You got the CVO agitator wheels, chrome front end. So you got the orange Clockworks windshield on here. There's tons of accessories on this bike. You got the adjustable passenger footboards, two-piece CVO style seat. Got the CVO style rear end with the tail lights there. D&D exhaust with the dummy pipe on the side. It's a 2-in-1 exhaust. Got the quick detach backrest. Got the Harley stretch saddlebags on there. This is a beast of a bike. And only 16,700 miles. Really good running bike. Alright, if you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a test ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Alright, y'all come see us.